Hello guys and welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, we will be showing you how to use Clickbank for affiliate marketing. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Clickbank, and today's video is dedicated on teaching you how you guys will be able to utilize Clickbank and other ways you could take advantage or other tools that you could take advantage to help you with your affiliate links and earning money. Now, Clickbank in itself is already an affiliate platform. So it's a platform where it is actually built to help you and to start with affiliate marketing. So there isn't really any setup that you need to do aside from going to Clickbank itself and starting their options or clicking on start here or start affiliate here options that are available. There are many informations available in their homepage, as you can see right now. As you can see, they have a lot of different tools that will allow you to improve or rather be able to earn as much money as you can. You have reliable payments, accurate tracking, top performing offers, dedicated support, quality high products, and training and education. This is a very great platform for you to start earning money. And if you're asking if people are actually earning here, they actually are. We can check out the different tools available here under affiliates. As you can see, there are many resources. So if you're someone who is not aware or like you don't know how to start your affiliate journey, they actually offer a lot of information regarding this, wherein they will be teaching you how to do this, what to do, and important information that would greatly benefit you and of course themselves, because the more you help, the more you earn in Clickbank, they will also get something back. So they are offering a lot of help. As you can see, there's a lot of programs. There's also great tools that would allow you to greatly improve your experience. So for example, over here, if you click on start here, we will be able to see their starting process. As you can see here, let's customize your Clickbank experience. It will ask you if you have an experience, which would allow the system to know if they would be providing you with extra help. So for example, I'm all new to this and not sure where to start. It will provide to the next step. There we go. What is the biggest factor motivating you to explore marketing? Let's say earning extra income. Do we have traffic on our audience to promote to? Now, ideally, it is very recommended, or it is very good if you have a consistent traffic source, or if you're someone who has an audience, you have a place to put up the different affiliate links or affiliate products for people to see so that they will be able to click it. It's either, as you can see here, existing emails or existing website, blogs, social media following, and many more. But if you don't have any, that's okay still. Everyone starts from somewhere, and you need to start building up your own audience, and you will be able to do it inside of Clickbank using their tools. And there's also different plans. These are different platforms that you would use to generate traffic. As you can see here, you could choose from the many options over here. You could choose I don't know yet. It doesn't really matter just yet. And over here, there are many tools that you will be able to use, such as hosting, page builder, funnel builder, and email marketing tool over here. So basically, they also have features that allow you to create your own websites, which of course will greatly help with funneling traffic or getting a lot of traffic here and there, which is going to help you get more clicks, more traffic, and all those things. So you can select whichever you want. You can also go with none if you want. Click on OK. And over here, which best describes where you selected the option before. You can also select any of this option. Then simply put it over you shared Clickbank from. You say YouTube. Click on OK. And then simply use your email that you are going to use. Click on submit. And over here, you're going to click on use this link or watch the video, which will basically show you another page, a video that would guide you through your journey. As you can see here, there's a video over here, and there's a really, really great information over here below, where you will be able to understand or know a lot of information about their platform, how they work, as you can see here. And as you can see, secrets to a great online business. So these are all for you guys to read and go through. As you can see here, there's a lot of information here, like so much, a lot of information. But the thing is, you have to pay for $24 or $27 to get started, which will give you a lot. So I don't think it's that much of a back down or like a downside, because you will be able to get a lot in return. And $27 is something you will be able to earn very quickly in the next 7 days. So when you pay for $27, you will be able to get easy content marketing plan. You have automatic content creator generator, which is really great. 52 viral hook ideas, ad copy cookbook, mobile, mogul photo guide, and many, many more. So those are some of the things that you will be able to get. As you can see here, in 7 days, they have a guarantee that you will be able to get the amount of money that you will be paying. And of course, the more you proceed, you will gain more money than just $37 and gain more and more money. So all you need to do is to enter the necessary information. You're going to have to pay $27, as you can see here. And after paying that, you will now be able to access everything Clickbank has to offer, all of their tools, all of their programs, all of their information and support, allowing you to earn as much money as you can. Of course, it depends on you as the user on how you will handle such responsibilities. Now, I can't show you guys Clickbank in itself because of course it is paid, but I still have a lot of information that I think would help you with your associate journey. Now, we did mention earlier that there are a lot of tools, but I don't think that you guys should only rely on the tools provided by Clickbank. There's a lot of tools out there that are very great and very much going to help you with your journey. All you need to do is to know what they are so that you will be able to take advantage and use them for what they are for. So we have different tools like Canva, which is a great platform to start creating information or start creating different projects. We have Pexels, which is a great platform to get royalty-free photos, royalty-free videos, which can be great when you're making simple videos. We have ChatGPT, which is a platform, of course, where you will be able to just simply ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you. If you're unaware, or rather you don't feel like creating a script for your affiliate videos or making captions for your Facebook posts, Instagram, TikTok, of course, those platforms need some captioning, creative captioning for you to be able to attract users. You could use ChatGPT over here to help you with generating the necessary content. And lastly, we have 11 Labs over here, which basically turns any of your script into a really great voice. So there's a lot of voices over here, and if you don't know, this is the platform most people have been using all throughout online social media right now. If you're hearing AI voice, they are using 11 Labs for it. So let's get started and showing you how you could take advantage of all of this. So let's say I'm promoting, or I got an affiliate offer and I'm supposed to be promoting a specific product. Now let's say the product could be a bag or something similar to that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to promote it, of course. So in Canva, we have different options. You could either do photos, by the way. There's different ways to approach this affiliate promotion. You could do photos that you could post in Facebook. You could do videos that you could post in TikTok or YouTube. In Canva, those are available. As you can see, in social media section, you have Instagram posts, we have Square, Facebook posts, landscape, WhatsApp status, Instagram reel, TikTok videos, and many more. You can even make some YouTube thumbnails if you want. And so let's first demonstrate how you will be able to do it on an Instagram post. Let's say we want to post on Instagram affiliate promotion that we have. So first things first, get the image of the product that you are promoting, assuming that we are promoting a specific product. Now I have an example image over here under my upload. So let's get one of them. So maybe this one over here. Let's say this is the product that I am currently promoting. Now we could use Canva for is we could enhance our photo over here. Now this in itself looks okay, but we could improve it. We could click on edit image and we could remove the background in its entirety, and we could change the background into whatever we want. So now we have this product over here. Let me make it smaller. There we go. And let's simply search for a background. Something like this. Graphics. And put a fitting background for your item or the product that you're promoting. So for example, I'll go with something like this one. Position it to the back. There we go. Now we have our product over here. Select our product. Let's see if I can add some shadows into this. Shadows, there we go. So curved, page lift, angle. There's a different type of shadows over here. I guess we could settle with this one over here. And let's say, think about the situation or think about the current event. Is it back to school or is it Valentine's? Think about the current events happening in the world and then you could relate to them. So for example, it's back to school. It's that time of the year where people are going back to school, and then coincidentally, the product that you are promoting is a bag. And now you could take advantage of the different text available here, and you could put it over here. You could even use something like this to have some sense of urgency. Let's put it in the background, just like this. There we go. This should be in the back. Backwards. There we go. And then we could put some information that this is for a school. You could use any of this text. You guys could choose whatever font style that you want. Let's add some text box over here. Text box. Here we go. And we could say back to school in this text over here. It all depends on your creativity. And like I mentioned, it depends on the current event, but you get the idea. Say back to school over here, just like maybe this one over here, and just put it here, back to school. And now you have like a very simple graphics that you have. Of course, my output is not the best. You guys, I know, will be able to create better outputs, but you get the idea on how you could enhance and make it look professional. Now you could take advantage of pixels over here if you're promoting something that is like something that would help a person. You could search for videos over here, like example, you have a hiking gear that you're promoting, or like shoes. You could use some videos over here of people running, and then you could create narrations using ChatGPT over here. So let's say create an affiliate narration script that promotes a bag. This is for affiliate. So make it sound convincing. So you could use ChatGPT just like what I'm doing over here, and it will create a very simple script over here that you could use for your video if you're promoting a video. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, we could create videos using Canva as well and use the same technology or same features that we had to create something simple like this one, which should allow you to greatly increase the professionality or the appearance of your videos or photos that you're posting in Instagram, photo, or Facebook, or Pinterest. And this one over here is an example. You could also create videos in Canva. This one is for TikTok. And like this one is the script. I could copy the first part, use our 11 labs over here, then we could generate voices over here. So let's say I would like Anthony generate speech, and we will be able to get...
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible...
As you can see, that's a really great AI voice. You could choose between a lot of different options over here. As you can see, you can change to Sarita, generate speech. And let's see now.
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well.
All of them have their own unique voice, their own unique intonation, their own unique accent. So just look through the different available voices and you could generate speech with them as well. So those are the different tools that you could use to take advantage and increase the professionality that you will be able to do with Clickbank. Now, you all know that when you're posting videos, posting pictures, or posting a post, you should be able to get the link and affiliate links or creating affiliate promotions is the difficult part, but getting the affiliate links is very easy. You're just going to put it in the photo or in the description somewhere. So what I focused on today is what different tools that you could use to greatly improve your affiliate experience and get a lot of traffic because of how professional and how amazing your output looks. So this is something that I really would suggest that you guys would use. These are different tools. There are a lot more tools that would help you out there, but these are the top tools that I suggest you would use to greatly and make your experience a much better flow. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.